Hi, how's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you? Do you like reading books?
I'm good too. Yeah, I do. What kind of books have you been reading lately?
Mostly mystery and a bit of fiction. Keeps me interested.
Nice. What do you like about mystery books?
I like trying to guess the ending before it happens.
How often do you usually read?
Almost every evening, maybe 30 minutes. You?
Same here. Do you prefer short reads or long ones?
Short ones during weekdays, long ones on weekends.
Do you read more on paper or digital?
Digital mostly. It's easier to carry.
What about audiobooks? Do you use them?
Sometimes, when I'm traveling.
What's the best book you've read recently?
A mystery novel about a missing person. It was really good.
Can you recommend one for me?
Sure, I can. I think you'd like a light mystery series.
Do you like light reading too?
Yes, especially after a busy day.
What about heavy or deep books?
Only when I have more free time.
Do you balance fiction and nonfiction?
I try to, but fiction wins most of the time.
Who's your favorite author?
I like authors who write simple but smart stories.
How do you usually find new books?
Friends and online reviews mostly.
Do you go to bookstores or libraries?
Both. But I enjoy bookstores more.
Do you have a favorite place to read?
Yes. My sofa near the window.
What about weekends? Do you read more then?
Yes. I read longer sessions on weekends.
Do you read while commuting?
Yes. Mostly on the train.
Do you like short books or novellas?
Yes, they are perfect for quick reads.
Do you enjoy long book series?
Yes, if the story stays interesting.
Which genre do you enjoy the most?
Mystery, but also some romance sometimes.
Do you care more about plot or characters?
Characters matter more to me.
Do you ever reread books?
Rarely. Only my favorites.
Can you suggest another book for me?
Maybe something light and funny this time.
Any books you didn't enjoy?
Very slow-paced ones are hard for me.
Have you ever read something surprising?
Yes, a book I thought would be boring turned out great.
Audiobooks or podcasts? What do you prefer?
Audiobooks when I want stories, podcasts for facts.
Do you have reading goals this year?
Just to read more regularly.
Do you like reading with coffee or snacks?
Yes, coffee makes it better.
Do you like library atmospheres?
Yes, they are very calm.
Do you gift books to others?
Sometimes, for birthdays.
Do you read translated books?
Yes, when originals aren't available.
Do you enjoy comics or graphic novels?
Yes, they are fun and quick.
Do you like classic fiction?
Some classics are really good.
What about modern fiction?
I enjoy it more because it feels relatable.
What nonfiction topics interest you?
Psychology and real-life stories.
Do you read biographies?
Yes, especially inspiring people.
Do you like science books?
Only the simple ones.
What fantasy worlds do you like?
Worlds with magic and adventure.
Do you enjoy thrillers?
Yes, especially fast-paced ones.
Do you like sci-fi technology themes?
Yes, futuristic ideas are cool.
Do you watch movie adaptations of books?
Yes, but I prefer books first.
Have you joined any book clubs?
Not yet, but I want to.
What's one final book recommendation?
Try something short and engaging, like a mystery novella.
This was nice talking about books. Take care.
Same here. Bye and happy reading.